how to contact Google Support live chat. Now, there are two ways on interacting with Google customer support. The first thing that you can try to do is just by dialing this specific number, it's going to be directly to a live agent representative on phone. So that's going to be 650-253-0000. Now, the other thing that you can do is via online. So from your Google web browser, make sure that you are logged in to your Google or Gmail account. Now, once you're logged in, just go to support.google.com, and then on how can we help you is going to be the part where you describe your issue. So for say example for Gmail. Now, if you tap on any of those options right here, it's going to be redirecting you to a one link to another. Basically, it's going to be narrowing down on what exactly is your issue is all about with Google. Now, you'll just have to follow through these processes right here, and then if there are no helpful articles that's going to be here on the automated system, you will be redirected to a live customer support. So that's it. That's the easiest method on coordinating or to get in touch with the Google chat support live.